Yo, what up? So, here we got a 1.8 block. We got a 1.8 block that I'm building for about 500 horsepower. It's pretty nice. I already put the crank in. It's just a regular crank, regular bearings, and then I'm putting IE rods in and calico bearings. So hopefully they'll work just good. The rods are the weakest point in these 1.8 in Volkswagen engines. So it's pretty much one of the main things you got to do. I already got the pistons and rods in. I got the ring scaps and all that. Basically just putting on the bearings because I had the wrong ones originally when I did the rest of this. And now we're just finished it. We've already got one in just because I wanted to make sure the bearings were feeling good. And yeah. So bad. Alrighty, it's the next day, but now we got to untorque them, back them off, and torque again to 50 foot-pounds, back them off, and then torque them again, and then we're good. It's hard to rotate with just my hand.
Too tight.
Oh, it's just a little more. Not the
Yeah, make sure you rotate the right way. Seems to be spinning good. Oil pump time.
are pretty bulletproof.
Pickup tube and all?
Yeah, I'm gonna take the screen out. Those get clogged really easily. It's a very common failing point of a 1.8. This impact smells terrible. It's like transmission.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a lot. I feel like it's not mixed. Harbor Freight ratchet. That's ridiculous.
There it goes. You know. Ooh, that was satisfying. You didn't threadlock that, did you?
Barely.
Looks good.
Can't even register that.
Looks good. All right. You ever see those Honda guys though? They spin the tires and they just bang it off the rev limiter for like 20 seconds. And
You
then
can
they
do
shut
that
it.
on a Honda. You can't do that with these engines.
I don't like rev limiter at all. I avoid the rev limiter like it's a plague.
Dude, I don't even go past 4 usually.
Oh my god.
Low-key eating though.
Alright, you gotta take your glasses off though.
Fine.
I
He's a new
Break somebody's
man.
kneecap.
Take a picture of us together.
Ew.
Alright, so now I gotta make a tool to keep the crank still. I torque the crank bolt. And then I'm ready to time it once I put the head on. Sorry, I forgot to do an outro, but in the next video we're going to be doing the head and I'm going to be timing it. Just waiting on a few parts for the oil cooler and yeah, so see you next time.